guys, and welcome back to my channel Cheese Remedy. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to grow a long and a thicker eyelashes. So stay tuned and make sure you watch this video till the end. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell. I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers and those that are watching me for the first time. So without further ado, let's go straight to the kitchen and make this recipe. If your eyelashes normally falls off, this remedy will help to strengthen it, it will help to thicken it, it will help your eyelashes not to fall off again. So you are going to go ahead and apply it on your lashes. You have to apply it on the upper part of your lashes and also apply it on the lower part of your lashes. So this works with consistency, so you have to be consistent when using this homemade remedy. It doesn't work overnight. This recipe can also be applied on your eyebrows as well. So ever since I've been using this remedy, my eyelashes are sticking up. I no longer experience my lashes falling off. So this works with consistency, so you have to be consistent in using this home remedy. It doesn't work overnight, so you just have to be consistent.